Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're about to explore some fantastic inventions and incredible tools that will leave you amazed. So stay tuned and let's dive into the world of innovation. As we explore these game-changing innovations, one thing remains constant: our appreciation for your subscription and the cool sound of that notification bell. So let's dive into these amazing inventions and tools together. Number 12. Swincar E-Spider. The Swincar E-Spider is a small electric buggy designed for fun and improved mobility. It's like a little electric car that can go almost anywhere because it has four-wheel drive and can steer each wheel independently. This makes it great for rough and bumpy terrain. People who use mobility scooters can also benefit from the E-Spider because it can go up hills and tricky paths with ease. The E-Spider comes in three versions: a standard one, a tandem model that can carry two people, and one specially made for people with mobility challenges. It's been getting a lot of attention on social media, with over 100 million views on Facebook. Since it's electric, it's also environmentally friendly and doesn't harm nature. It's easy to drive, even if you're not used to off-road adventures. So, it's a cool invention that can make outdoor fun and accessibility much better. Number 11. Auto Fuel Refueling System. In recent years, technology has advanced swiftly. While we now have fast internet, smartphones, and self-driving cars, the refueling process has remained quite traditional, relying on manual effort. Danish company Autofuel seeks to transform this. They've created an automatic refueling system that reduces the need for human intervention and enhances safety. The Autofuel system comprises a robotic arm and a user-friendly app, making refueling completely hands-free. Users register their vehicle details and employ a unique gas cap for identification. An advanced AI system ensures precise car positioning. Easy-to-follow graphics assist users, display refueling status, and even showcase ads. The robotic arm manages the fueling process, and a green light signals completion, with payment processing seamlessly integrated. Number 10. Hikoki Multivolt 36.5. Here's a bit of innovation for you. The company that makes this tool claims it's the world's first cordless tool that can cut and bend rebar. It works well with bars that are between 0.3 to 0.6 inches thick. For 0.4-inch bars, it can bend 3 at once or cut 2 at once, and for 0.5-inch rods, it bends 2 at a time. You can easily adjust the bending angle using a special dial, and the tool's shape allows you to place it sideways. The battery life depends on the thickness of the rebar. For example, if it's not 0.6 inches thick, you can do about 130 cutting operations or 140 bending operations with a single charge. It comes with 2 batteries, a charger, and a case to keep it all together. Number 9. Faucets. In today's world, manufacturers and designers are pushing the boundaries to impress customers. This has led to a wide array of unique faucets on the market. Consider DXV American Standards faucets as an example. They've taken advantage of 3D printing to craft 3 distinctive models. While their designs are refreshingly minimalist, their price tags range from $17,000 to $20,000. What sets one of these faucets apart is its ingenious built-in microscope. This microscopic marvel zooms in to reveal microbes present on your hands. Remarkably, it's the brainchild of scientists from the National Taiwan University of Science and Technology. Number 8. Distractagon. Modern life is saturated with smartphone distractions, making it challenging to unwind without being inundated by notifications and feeds. Meet Distractagon, a compact, secure drawer capable of accommodating up to 4 smartphones. At the apex, there's a timer that ensures the box remains securely locked until your designated digital detox period elapses. This invention is a lifesaver for individuals seeking uninterrupted quality time with friends or those aiming to curtail their children's internet usage. The price for this valuable tool stands at $45. Before we proceed to the next amazing inventions and tools, take a moment to hit the subscribe button below. By doing so, you ensure you're always up to date with our fascinating content. Plus, you'll join a community of like-minded tech enthusiasts and gain access to in-depth explorations of fascinating topics like this one. Don't miss out. Number 7. Townu. Dealing with trash can be an unpleasant chore. Townu has been engineered to simplify people's lives and reduce their interactions with garbage. An attention-worthy feature is its sensor-equipped lid, which opens at the swipe of a hand. Inside, a unique platter holds 25 bags. When the time is right, a new bag is presented automatically. Additionally, this clever device can gauge when the bin is reaching capacity and efficiently seal the bag, averting spills and odors. The cost of this convenience is $150. Number 6. Dishcraft conventional dishwashers get the job done, but their pace and reliability can be hit or miss. Dishcraft, a recent innovation, is the world's inaugural dishwashing robot. It excels at cleaning sizable stacks of dishes, making it a superb fit for restaurants and cafes. A standout feature is its ability to process each dish individually, made possible by a sophisticated vision system. Simply stack the plates, let the robot work its magic, and your dishes come out both clean and dry. Number 5. Clean Step. Clean Step is a much more convenient way to cover your shoes than traditional shoe covers. Instead of sitting down and putting them on by hand, you just step on the Clean Step platform. It quickly wraps your shoe soles with plastic film in a few seconds. After that, it's ready in just 5 seconds, making the whole process take less than 20 seconds. You don't need to exert much effort, and you can stand comfortably. The cost for this handy device is $300. Number 4. Roidme Next Storm. It's undeniable that this innovation will find utility in the lives of many. After all, we all regularly engage in the upkeep of our homes and apartments. To maintain cleanliness, we often invest in various tools such as vacuum cleaners, mops, rags, and buckets. However, the creators of Roidme Next Storm propose a different approach. Opt for a single universal tool instead of the typical assortment. The advantages of this device are numerous. Firstly, it operates cordlessly, and a single battery charge provides a full hour of usage. Secondly, this device boasts replaceable microfiber pads capable of soaking up liquids. Furthermore, the tool offers a variety of attachments, making it versatile enough to clean various household surfaces, including floors, furniture, curtains, and even vents. Additionally, you can adjust the power of the Roidme Next Storm to suit specific cleaning needs. Its 6-layer filter is highly effective at trapping dust, ensuring it doesn't recirculate into your living space. This all-in-one solution is also equipped with lighting, weighs a mere 1.5 kilograms, and is priced at $450. Number 3. High Table. The objects in our surroundings are growing smarter and more functional with each passing year, and tables are no exception. Allow us to introduce the High Table, a table loaded with practical functions. Most notably, it features a touchscreen that displays computer images. Additionally, it incorporates a built-in LED clock. The High Table's functionality extends further to serve as a charging station for your electronic devices, thanks to integrated plugs and a USB connector. Wireless charging capabilities are also part of the package. Furthermore, the High Table can double as a coffee table, complete with warming elements. These special circles keep your cups and mugs warm, so your drinks stay at a pleasant temperature. Plus, there's colored lighting that you can adjust to make it look nice. Number 2. Lua. If you're not sure you can handle the responsibility of a real pet like a dog or a cat, how about having a plant pet? That's the idea behind this fun pot called Lua. It has a screen that shows up to 15 animated faces. Lua can sense what's going on around it and has a water storage system, so you don't need to worry about watering it all the time. It also checks the soil, air, and lighting for the plant. If your plant needs more water or light, Lua will let you know. There's even a mobile app that helps you take care of various plants. The price is $168. Number 1. Dixter 5012. Lastly, let's move on to discussing a relatively expensive machine, a polishing and sanding tool that comes with a price tag of about $55,000. So what does this investment get you? Well, the manufacturer assures you of excellent ergonomics, top quality performance in dealing with corners and hard-to-reach areas, and the convenience of attaching a vacuum cleaner. This machine weighs in at 22 pounds and features a 7-inch disc. But here's the cool part. You can separately purchase the case and then easily combine it with your existing grinding and polishing tools, all thanks to a straightforward adjustment in the adaptation system. The machine's base is constructed from powder-coated steel. The disc is made of aluminum, and it boasts a universal vacuum cleaner connection. Not to forget, the rotating wheels and rubberized handles ensure comfort during long hours of work. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We have more amazing videos pinned for you, so be sure to check them out. We appreciate your support, and we'll see you next time on the channel.